Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today, in this video, we are coloring with Artesprix markers right after this. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to color using Artesprix markers and Unisub Berlin ornaments. So we're gonna get started. What I have done is I have printed using regular copy paper on the Sawgrass printer. My design is all in black, so this is gonna be my template.
And what I have done is I traced the ornament with a ballpoint pen, and then I drew mine. Clearly not artistic.
Okay, so let's get started.
Coastal color time.
So these are the Artesprix markers. They do come 10 per pack. You have several different colors, a lot of your primary colors on here. When you store them, it's best to store them down like this. And then when you want to go to use them, store them tip down to kind of recharge that ink in there. So I'm going to start coloring away. Okay, so now we have each our design, so we're gonna press away. I'm gonna get mine ready while Meredith starts her first press.
All right, we're gonna adhere it with our thermal tape. And we will press image side up. And when doing markers, I always cover the top too with a piece of silicone.
And you can use silicone or Teflon, so whichever your preference is. We do sell both on coastalbusiness.com.
And we're pressing at 400 degrees for 45 seconds.
And really fast going over these ornaments, the wood grain on here, they are technically two-sided, but for the best cover with your, your vibrant colors and things of that nature, it's best to go on the wood grain side. So I'm gonna take mine, and then when the Meredith's done, I'm gonna put mine in.
Okay. There we go.
Very cute. Okay, so same 400 degrees, 45 seconds.
All right, well, she's pulling her ornament out. Just wanted to kind of go over this. These are great for family gatherings, for the kids, gifts for the family, camps, schools, just about anything. A good way to make a personalized gift.
Okay, so here is mine. So as you can see with both transfers, we did something a little bit different. Again, I used a template with the Sawgrass, and she did a hand drawing. So colors look great, everything looks great on it. Black turned out great. These are such a fun, gift, very personable, for family members, friends, really anyone. So thank you for watching our video, and if you have questions, comment below, and we'll see you next time.